Hello, today is August 21st, 2021, and I just wanted to make a quick video of 6 stocks that I have on my watch list that are definitely stocks to watch this coming week. The first one is Square. Square is up, 30% in the past 3 months and has the potential to hit 300 in the long run. Maybe by December or January. It's tough to say, but Square owns Cash App and has continued to show that it's going to go up. Continues to go up in value. It was at 190 when I was trying to start investing in it. I think I finally got in around 200 or 210, something like that. And I day trade, so I just take the quick profits. This is a stock that you can either invest in long term or day trade. Either way, you can't go wrong with Square. The number 2 stock on my list is Aapl. It is actually a stock that split a while back, and it continues to go up gradually in value. It's up 17.68% in the past 3 months and is continuing to go up in value. It's a fundamentally sound company. It's one of the largest in the world. It has amazing consumer loyalty. Anytime a new product comes out, people continue to buy it. They stand in lines to get it. So this is a company you shouldn't worry about. If you don't know, what to invest in, you can't go wrong with Aapl. It pays a dividend, and that's something I always look for in a company I'm investing in long term. It needs to pay a dividend, so I'm getting something back. Next is Nvda, which is my number 1 pick, for long-term investment. Nvidia's up an amazing 36.96% in the past 3 months, and in my opinion, it's going to continue to go up in value. It just had a stock split, and it basically, Nvidia did that for one reason, so it could get new investors into the company. And I think that's a brilliant move. They have an amazing CEO. And this stock right here is, for blue chips to do what it's done, it's actually went up, it's went up for every dollar you put in. When it was at its lowest at $72 last year, it's went up, you got back at least 8, which is amazing. And amazing for a blue chip anyways to do this. This right here shows me this is the stock to put money into because it has great fundamentals, and everyone knows this is the future. Jim Cramer said so as well. This is a stock to watch. They actually have they're actually working with they have something to do with going to the moon on some projects. They work with robots, and that pretty much is the future in our country. And Nvidia is the number 1 innovator in a lot of different technologies. Also, in my opinion, this stock's an A+, so that's the stock to go with. If you're just going with one. Also, number 4 stock is Adbe. On my list, Adbe is up 30.84% in the past 3 months. Adbe is a stock that reminds me of Aapl. It just creeps up in value, or in price. Not slow pace, but it just continues to go up. But you hardly ever see it go back down in value. But you know, here the last 3 months, it's had a surge in price, and I believe you should ride this surge, you know, for whatever, you know, for as far as it goes, because it may reach, you know, 1,000 here very quickly. You know, if it continues like it's going. You know, Adobe's at an all-time high, and I don't see it stopping for the next little bit. So it's a good stock to invest in. You know, I believe that it may be at 1,000 by the first quarter of next year. It's currently at $647 a share, so you can't go wrong. And the number 5 stock is Sava. For any day traders watching, you know, because Sava Sciences is a stock. It's a stock for you because of the volatility. It can go from $85 to $120 in the same day. So be careful, and I wouldn't put my money in this stock overnight. Sava Sciences is actually losing money, you know, unlike these other companies. So to me, I just day trade it. Anytime it has a green day, I would just, you know, ride the volatility and make as much money as I can and get back out. I've been in this stock since $7. You know, I remember when the CEO, you know, bought $5 million in the company, and I knew it was a winner then. I had around 800 shares. I think I had 755 to be exact. You know, I knew it was going to be a great company. I wish I'd held, but you know, nobody knows exactly what the future is, and I'm a day trader. So as soon as it started going back down just a little bit, I went ahead and sold. Generally, I try to make 20 to 25% of my money every month. I try to make 5% every week. And Sava Sciences is definitely a stock that's continuing to go up in value and is extremely hot. So, you know, it's up over 2,000% in this past year alone, and there's no telling how high it's going to go. It works with Alzheimer's research and has a lot of promise. And the number 6 stock is the final stock. It's Zbra Technologies. It's another great company. It's up over 106% over the past year. And it's a long-term investment. It will pay very well. There are very few blue chip companies that double in value. And this is what, you know, I personally look for when you invest long-term. Is which company is going to double in value. You know, I look at, you know, obviously what happened in the last 3 months, because I do a lot of technical analysis. You know, I'm more into technical analysis than intrinsic value. I mean, I want to see the stocks go up or are continuing to go up in the short term. You know, I mean, I always put a stop loss in. If it starts to go down, I sell it. There's no reason not to ever have a stop loss in place on your stocks. Personally, I always want to look for a stock, you know, if you can get stocks that are paying a dividend, such as Aapl or Nvda. You know, just because you want your stocks giving you money back. And I'm a day trader, so I do have stocks that I just day trade the percentage gainers every morning. If you want to look on Webull, generally around 6:30, I put the 4 or 5 stocks in that I believe that are worth investing in to day trade, you know, to make a quick profit. You can find me at Josh Delosier03 on Twitter, and I tweet, like I said, the stocks that and I also put in the stocks that I buy and what price I buy at, just in case you want to follow and try to make some money with me. you know, you're more than welcome. Also, there'll be a link in the comments below if you'd like to get a couple of free stocks in Webull or dough. You know, right there's an easy $20 for free when you open a brokerage account, and I really appreciate you using my link because I get a free stock as well. Also, if this video has helped you, please hit the like button or the subscribe, and I'll continue to give my stock picks every week. I know if it helps, please continue to watch. Like I said, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll continue making these videos. I'm trying to get my channel monetized. I really appreciate your support. Thank you all, and I hope you have a very profitable week.